In this video, we will show you how to create a UI test in GxTest. Let's see a simple example. GxTest provides you an object called UI test, which will be the UI test case. This is a special GxTest procedure where you can control the browser by executing commands like opening the browser, clicking or typing over different controls, checking text on panels, and others. So let's create a UI test object. The UI object has defined a variable named driver. This variable is auto-generated and provides automation capabilities over the browser using the WebDriver external object. Basically, it allows you to open a new browser instance and handling different actions against it by using a list of supported commands. These commands are listed in the UI test external object, and you can find the documentation of each one in the GxTest wiki. You can see that command list after typing a point after the driver variable. Now, let's simulate a simple test case that opens the Google homepage. To do so, we need to use the start command, which starts a new WebDriver test session. Note that all tests need to start with this command. After that, we want to navigate to a specific URL. For that purpose, you can use the go command. As you can see, the command receives a URL string as parameter, so in this case, you will need to write the Google's homepage URL. Now you can add more commands like typing, clicking, etc. But for the sake of this demo, just include a 3 seconds pause before closing the browser. Finally, to end up the test, use the end command, which will finish the test session. Now, let's run the test. As you can see, while running the test, a new browser instance is open and navigates to Google's search page before it ends closing the browser. Probably, you will need to validate the test case in several browsers. So, let's select other browser for running the last UI test. You can change the browser configuration by right-clicking in the KB properties and scroll until the test settings, where you can find the default browser and the corresponding version. You can select by which browser you want to run the UI test. Now, let's run the test in Internet Explorer browser.